Hi my loves, we're starting out by cutting out our brows to achieve straight brows. Then we'll get brow gel to lay these brows down, focusing on the small hairs. Afterward, we'll get a dark brown brow gel and we'll fill in any sparse areas. Then we'll get concealer and we'll start by shaping out the brow. This is 1962 brunette bubble cut Barbie, and she has major side eye, so we need to have brows that have attitude. We'll achieve that by grabbing that concealer and taking it all the way across and focusing on the arch. Now we'll clean them up, making sure to remove any harsh lines. And after they've been cleaned up, we'll fill in a little bit more, making sure to put more product on the front of our brows to really achieve that Barbie look. Now on to eyes. We're going to use the lightest shade of ColourPop and we're going to use that for a dimension, really getting into those creases. Then we'll grab our bluest blue. This is from the KEN-ERGY palette, and we're going to blend into our eyelids. I always like to grab a little bit more product to really make this blue pop out. You'll see it will look beautiful. Now we can get the lightest blue shade, this is from BH Cosmetics, and blend it into the lids of our eyes. This is going to really make that light blue color electric and pop. Now for mascara, we're using L'Oreal's Telescopic mascara. I've been using this mascara for years and I love the way that it makes my eyes look. We really want to focus on the outer corners to do that flirty lash. And for eyeliner, this is Wet n Wild's Blackest Black, and I'm going to put that all on my eyes, really winging it to the sky. We really want to focus on winging it all the way out, as when you look at 1960s Barbie, her eyes are really the focal point, and that wing has to be high to the sky. And what's vintage Barbie without some more blue? We'll get a large eye pencil and we're going to pull that all across our eyes, really focusing on the outer corners and taking it across. This is going to really complete the look.
Hey loves, make sure to subscribe to Crystal Pearl.
And give this video a big thumbs up.
Hit the bell to be notified of our videos.
She comes out with fashionable videos every week.
Lashes, we're grabbing our wispiest set and we're placing that on. A trick that I use is I grab a nail stick and I place it. It makes it much easier. And then after they dried, we'll grab some pink blush and we'll really blend that into our cheeks, creating that pop of color and that dimension. For lipstick, we're going to grab a cherry red and we're going to use a small slanted eyeshadow brush to apply the lipstick. This was actually something that our great-grandmothers used to do. It really helped to contour the lips and really make them stand out beautifully. I'm going to show you some tricks on putting this wig on. We're going to part our hair right down the middle. We'll get a pick, making sure to put some hair right to the side, and then we're going to braid each side. Depending on how much hair you have, you want to make sure that your braids are nice and tight so that it can go underneath your wig cap. So we'll braid it, and then we'll take it all the way down. We'll do the other side, and then we're going to grab the braid and we're going to twist it and we're going to put it all the way up and we're going to pin it down, and then we'll grab the other side and pin it down, making sure that it's nice and tight and secure, and then we'll grab our wig cap and we'll put that on. Oh my god, this is so cute. Now we'll grab our wig and we'll secure it in the back, and we'll grab a brush and we'll make sure to brush it down and really just adjust it to our liking. Her little bob is nice and full at the top, and then she has curved down at the bottom. So I'm really going to focus on really brushing that out and creating that length and creating that height. And this is what your wig should look like, very natural and very 1960s. I hope that you guys had a blast with this look. I had so much fun creating this vintage Barbie. I hope that you guys have a beautiful day. I love you guys so much. Mwah!